I very much disagree with our floor leader when he said na totally different ang ordinance naging propose ko last week with the ordinance of Councilor Meme, because in the provisions, I also have the Central Appeals and Review Committee, lain lang ang pangalan, and the title of Councilor Meme is on ordinance operationalizing the freedom of information, and mine is operationalizing the people's right to access information. But here in section 1, I gave everyone a draft last week. It says that the title of the ordinance shall be known as Iloilo City Freedom of Information Ordinance of 2025.
Yes, Councilor
So
Dalaga.
maybe,
Well, thank you very much, Madam Chair, Mr. Presiding Officer. The difference is, for first thing, ang diferensya niya, siyempre, ako nag-obra niyo, and then ikaw nag-obra sa mo. But my ordinance, it has a manual na. And God forbid, I will not duplicate your ordinance, Mr. Chair, because I know for some reasons, like, ang problema is because if you want to, kung ikaw magsinggit, mambal ka sa pumuluyo, kung ka mo magsinggit, we want freedom of information, we want transparency, and then on our part, kung kami naman nagambal, we want transparency, we want freedom of information, and then you call it duplicity. You know, we can always refer this to the committee. But, ginagaanda ka kopya ko, Mr. Presiding Officer, ginagaanda ka kopya ko, and then, you know, you can always read kay may manual ini akong proposed ordinance. No, wala, you know, no one has the monopoly. Wala sang may monopoliya sang truth. Wala sang may monopoliya nga ikaw lang na pwede ka pasar sa freedom of information. You know that there is a huge difference. Amo niya pagpananaw ko. This is how I vision. This is how I propose ang akong propose. Amo niya panantaw ko nga mas masaniyo ang atong freedom of information based on this proposed ordinance, Mr. Chair. So we can always refer this to the committee ni Councilor Sadfi Cabaluna, and then we will abide by the wisdom of the committee chair.
Mr. Chair.
Wait lang. Councilor, Vice Mayor Baranda.
Wala man minagambal nga may monopoly. It's just that, based on our rules, kaya napasar na gani last week, ang FOI, or the I have the floor. Napas na nga daan for first reading. And nag-manifest naman ka mo, if you have suggestions, kung may ara ka mo idugang, dito na lang sa committee level. Abide lang ta sa rules naton, di? Ikalaw ay man na, nga wala ta kita hatag sa basic courtesy.
Thank you.
Halin sang una, nag-counselor man ako for 9 years, tambay ko lang ang experience ko. Maski na yung mga opposition at that time, I'll give credit where credit is due. Sa una, si Councilor Nava at si Councilor Alim. Maski opposition sila, kung may ara, gani nga gina-manifest sa floor o may gina-propose na ordinansa, nga may ara duplication or maski malang simple amendment to the existing ordinance, gambagid sila samon nga kun ari pa diri araman ni Councilor Akap, kun may ari pa diri sa members ng council subong nga siya ang original proponent, gina-recognize na namon kag nagahatag kami kurtesiya nga pwede na namon mapasar kay ikaw ang nag-una. Or kung may nakauna man, nagakadto ang gusto man nga mag-co-author sa nakauna na pasar ini. Basic courtesy lang ina nga ginatawag nga tani i-practice man naton di. Akong gid nga personal experience, si Councilor Saldivar, nagpropose siya i-amend ang comprehensive naton nga anti-smoking ordinance, of which ako ang una nakapasar. So, ang ginobra, ginpa-coordinate siya sa akon, kay para, may courtesya man siya nga, Councilor, may i-amend ako sa imo nga ginpasar nga ordinansa. Basic courtesy lang ang ginapangayota. I'm not saying nga the-object ako nga dapat hindi natin ipasaron. I'm just saying nga kung may mga questions or may suggestions kamo, diretso na kamo sa committee level since the same title or same kung hindi man content, kilain ko ng content, kung the same purpose and the same intent dito na storyanay sa committee level. I-refer naton sa committee level, but kung i-allow ni naton nga mag first reading pagidya, so ano na ning rules, anong gwa sa naton nga city council?
Yes,
Mr. Presiding Officer, I just wanted to, can I, Mr. Presiding Officer, can the good gentlewoman, the lady Vice Mayor, specifically cite anong rule nga ginahambalya sa ako, hambalya sa bug, may wala ta ang rule kuno, wala ta na ginapati, ano nga rule?
Ano na yaho? Any motion, measure, or proposal appearing in agenda already referred to the corresponding committee shall not be subject to debate prior to final action. Wala pa final action. Sa committee level.
Mr. Chair, I have the floor.
na-refer.
I have the floor.
Order.
I have the floor.
Yes.
Madam Chair, Mr. Presiding Officer, ang ginasite isang good gentlewoman, rule is misplaced. That is why nagambal kapag ganit kailangan nga kung wala sa rules ta, kung wala sa aton internal rules, masuplitory si Robert rules.
Mr. Chair, can I answer?
At answer, lasa lang, Councilor Mabilo.
Well, Mr. Chair, I very much agree with the Vice Mayor because I think it's ethical na dapat ginmanggaan courtesya ang first nga Hello, I'm sorry. For the reason na what stops the other fellow councilors to propose a third FOI ordinance or the fourth FOI ordinance, maybe what I can suggest to the refer all his suggestions, his versions on the committee level.
Yes, Councilor Salivar, you're recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. My question is, sa procedural naton while passing a resolution or ordinance, di ba gahapit na siya sa secretariat naton to scrutinize and to go over with the content of the ordinance or any resolutions for that matter. Then why is it then nga na-include sa agenda naton ang ining ordinance
No.
as first reading? Okay? So, first reading pa lang, as we practice here sa Sangguniang Panglungsod, but first reading gani, wala sang debate, wala interpolation, but instead, refer these to corresponding committee chair kung sabihin man ni siya makadto. Since that, we speculate everything. Naghahambal kita diri pareha sila nga duwa. We don't have any copies of both, no? And we not compare the previous and the recent ordinance.
Yes.
So paano natin mambal nga parehas? Wala natin gani nabasa ang content. No? But then, Mr. Presiding Officer, I would like to manifest na this reading and refer to respective committees if ever. Kagang committee chair ang mag-decide whether or not nga parehas ang ining ordinansa. No? And both parties will sit down together with the committee chair and discuss matters kay para nga i-refine naton kung anong ordinansa nga ipasargid naton, no? So with due respect no sa first councilor nga nagpasa sa sining ordinansa of which base kung lain man kag sa nga bag-o kay Councilor Nene de la Llana station, Mr. Presiding Officer, to pass this on the first reading and for the committee chair to decide and to make proper recommendation. Thank you.
Councilor Mambal,
Ma-clarify ko na. Can I
clarify,
clarify
Councilor
before-
Serapi.
Yes, Mr. Presiding Officer. I'd like to relieve the SP Secretariat of their blame because I am the one responsible for the inclusion of this item in the agenda. No, I just like to address kahit may mga confusion na nag-arise. There is only one person to be blamed here. It's me because I'm the floor leader. Why I have come to this decision? No. Number one, the internal rules are silent. There is no specific provision in the internal rules that prohibits the inclusion into the agenda of something, of a measure, which has similar purpose to an existing measure. There is no provision. So since the internal rules are the governing rules of conduct and the members of the august body. I have the impression that this measure of Councilor Nanette de Liliana is meritorious. Are the parliamentary rules of procedure, the commonly accepted parliamentary rules of procedure, does this prohibit it? It does not. It does not. I don't know where the Vice Mayor is citing her reference, but for me, no, for my personal knowledge, I think we could all agree here, members of Congress and also the Senate pass different measures with the same purpose, to solve the same purpose, but different measures. It happens all the time in Congress, happens all the time in the Senate. Where did you pull that from where did you pull your argument from? Hindi ko kay Chinding kung din mo na kuha ang imo na argument. Because even in Congress, even in Senate, they just simply refer this to the proper committee and any differences will just be reconciled. Even in the Constitution, it is inherent in our constitutional body that the Congress passes their own version, the Senate passes their own version, and then they mesh it during the bicameral conference. The whole Republic of the Philippines allows similar proposals. Kindly read your law. Kindly read your law. Now, this representation would like to stand. No. If hindi applicable ang internal rules, hindi applicable ang parliamentary procedure, more so hindi applicable ang common courtesy, that is a very weak basis. Kaya we have to remember, as members of the august body, our actions are imbued with public interest. Now, if we argue from the point of public interest, ginbasa ko ang ordinance ni Councilor Mabilog, ginbasa ko ang ordinance ni Councilor de Liliana, not because we are party mates, but I think the proposal of Councilor de Liliana is complete and more responsive to the call of transparency in our government. In view of public interest, as the floor leader, would I allow delays to transpire? Would I allow things to derail? Siyempre, hindi. Kita mo kompleto niya ang proposal ni Councilor de Liliana. Of course, in view of public interest, I will allow it. Sorry, Mr. Presiding Officer, for the emotional response, but it seems that my character here is being targeted because common courtesy is being alleged. I don't think, Mr. Chair, common courtesy is applicable in this particular instance when we are arguing from the view of legal public interest, Mr. Chair.
Mr.
Last
Chair?
na, Vice
Yes.
Brenda.
Kung ang contention ni floor leader, kung di applicable ang IRPTA, di man applicable ang Robert's Rules ta, kag ang common courtesy, so na nakaroon ang applicable gali kung mag-conduct kita business diri sa
Common sense.
session hall.
Common sense.
Kung ang item nga gin-propose ko or ang provision nga ginhambal ko hindi gali applicable nga very basic malang da ang wordings, kung ang Robert Rules nga ginhambal ko man kag cite section 38, a motion that has been referred to a committee cannot be renewed until after the session at which the assembly finally disposes of the main motion after the committee has reported it back or has been discharged from its consideration. Pending na sa committee level ang aton nga proposed ordinance, wala pa siya sang final action from this august body. So umuma lang ng akon nga gusto ihambal. And at the same time, kung lain ang pag-interpret nila sa mga provisions nga gin-state ko, kag gin-point out ko sa ila, then ano na lang ang aton nga provisions gali nga i-consider diri sa aton nga council.
Okay, thank you everyone. Let's rule on this. Okay. Last, Councilor Doron.
I've been raising my hand as early as.
Sorry.
In a way, no. as manifested also and argued by the majority floor leader, hindi tayo pag-ilugon si Tulfo, ha? Oh?
Bend the
Never mind the law.
bend the law.
Hindi naman pag-ibend ang law. We decide what will be the law in this city council.
Exactly.
Who decides?
The
It
majority.
is the majority.
Correct.
The majority rules decides in this council. Not one, not two, but majority. And allow me to read, no, in my research, when two bills with the same purpose are filed, legislative bodies typically reconcile them through committee work. So we refer it to the committees. Then let the committee reconcile if possible. If possible. This practice avoids duplication and allows lawmakers to create the strongest possible version of the legislation. So I think that's my point. In a way, if we cannot agree, we divide the house.
Yes.
So I
Mr. Chair,
hope,
for that last, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Vice Parada.
Yes. So for next week, kung may mapasar man addition nga proposal nga party man sa FOI, i-allow man sang August body for first reading.
Yeah, tanong ta. So depends on the
That's my
body.
question.
Yeah. Depends on the body.
So after that, the week after that, kung may mapropose naman again, another FOI, in-worded differently lang, may gin-add man siyang versions, i-allow man sang August body for first reading. Hindi na dito sa committee level.
I
Tama?
think we allowed like last time, Vice, no? Ang in-allow naman ng RPT kapila gani, no? Every week may gagawa na RPT in-allow man gani isang body.
Wala
I
siya
think-
gin-allow, Mr. Chair.
I think
Sorry.
it's pleasure of the body, no? So maybe you can rule on this. What's the pleasure of the body?
well, I move on the division of the house because we cannot agree, no, whether to let Councilor Doriana
Yes.
proceed for first reading.
Councilor Dalaliana?
Mr. Chair, I'd like to
Yes.
raise first before that.
Yes, Vice.
I'm not objecting nga i-tackle na siya sa committee level. I'm just objecting nga ma-first reading siya kay dapat sa committee level na ta ma-raise ang aton nga mga suggestions kay sa aton nga amendments. Amo lang na I'm not objecting nga ipasar man ini.
Yes,
Mr.
Councilor
I'm
Dalaliana.
objecting as to the rules.
Mr. Deciding Officer, wala ka diya sa gina-amend. Kaya wala pa niya napasar.
No.
We are not amending anything here, Mr. Presiding Officer. Wala pa niya napas. So, again, I move. No?
Division.
Okay.
Move
na ni Doron eh.
Actually, what was raised by the majority floor leader was the point of order.
Yes.
So I think the presiding officer has to rule first on the point of order.
Si Vice Mayor.
Ate,
Yeah, the vice mayor was the one who pointed that the passing of the proposed ordinance of first reading with the same purpose, according to her, a point of order was raised, so we have to rule on the point of order. Yeah.
last na kita.
Before you rule, Mr. Presiding Officer, no, when ruling the point of order, you have to read the internal rules. So basically, you will have to read Rule 7, Section 1, and see if the contention of the good Vice Mayor is meritorious. Now, before you rule, Mr. Chair, I would like to also manifest pagbasa ko sa duwan nyo na ordinance, hindi man siya similar. Lain